Hey guys, so today I'm going to color my hair. I am going to make it from like this dark red to flaming red orange or orange yellow hair color. So if you want to see the end result, then please keep on watching. Alright, so the ratio would be 1 is to 2 for the bleach, 1 part of the bleach and 2 parts of the developer. I use 30 volume or 9% to form a paste-like consistency. So when it comes to bleaching the hair, I always measure this way because I feel like this is the perfect consistency that you can get, especially for balayage, because we don't want the bleach to be dripping all over if we put too much developer onto the bleach. So I always want to achieve this kind of consistency that is not too liquidy or too dry. And I also applied some baby oil into my hair just for extra protection from the bleach. Although this is very optional, you guys. You can always skip this part. Just make sure that you didn't wash your hair at least 2 to 3 days prior to bleaching, because the natural oil in your hair can create a barrier to prevent the burning and itching feeling that usually occurs with the bleaching process. We always want our hair to be in its best condition, especially when bleaching. Alright, here's the process. I'm just going to bleach the midsection up to the ends of my hair because I'm trying to create like a red, orange, yellow ombre effect. Also guys, using tin foils really helps the process of lightening the hair faster and more efficient. But if you don't have tin foils, that's fine. You just have to really soak every hair strand with the bleach to get an even result, and just cover the hair with hair cap or plastic bag, anything that you can get to cover the hair so the bleach won't get dry. Otherwise it'll become very patchy all over and we don't want that. And do not forget to start in the midsections. Don't start in the roots. That is like the number one rule when bleaching the hair. Do not start with your roots. It took me like an hour to cover my hair with the bleach, and I am going to check it one by one to make sure everything is even, and I'm gonna retouch it with the bleach if needed. I'll just wait for like 10 to 15 more minutes before rinsing it. Alright, this is what it looks like after one session of bleaching. This is actually my second day. I'm going to use 3 different hair color. I'm gonna mix red and orange for the roots up to the midsection, and from the midsection I'm gonna blend it with orange, and lastly yellow to the ends. That is like our sequence. And the ratio, by the way, would be 1:1 in equal parts of everything, color and developer. I only use 10 volume or 3% because I just want to deposit the hair color as my hair is already light. It is called like the no lift developer, the 10 volume. But if you want to lift it for 1 to 2 more level, use 20 volume or use a higher volume of developer if you want it to be as bright as possible. So yeah, if you want to learn more about it, I suggest you to watch Guy Tang or Brad Mondo. I'll link them down below. I learn a lot from these 2 hair legends. They're like the best. So this is the end result. I waited for 45 minutes before rinsing the color. To be honest, I expected it to be more vivid, especially the yellow at the ends. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.